just trying a little something. I'm pouring over this dip that I did. I could resin it and I know that it would jump out, but I'm just I've kept the other part of the dip because it was so much more vibrant, but I'm just going to re-pour over this particular one. It's just an actual, I'm in my art lab mode, it's a test, and I just thought I would run my camera in case it works out really well. I've got some of this Reeves iridescent medium that I've been squirting in each of my paint colours, and it gives this really, you know, lustery effect. But I just thought, I just squirted some into a cup of the iridescent medium, and I am mixing with the global pouring medium. I've put a bit of global pouring medium in there. It's very thick at the minute, so I'll add a little bit more. Like I said, this is just a test with a few things. So you will get that from the Capriole Shabby Chic, and you can also get the global pouring medium from them too. So I've mixed that, and I think I'm going to try a good squirt of my floetrol, my liquid gold. This is the Aussie floetrol, but I'm told that the American version does the same thing, so from some people. So I'm just going to give it a real good squirt of floetrol, if I can actually get it to come out the nozzle. So I need to poke my nozzle, poke me end. Hang on, sorry about that. So you just poke it with a, these are just the skewers you buy, the bamboo skewers. They're very good in the art room. So I'm going to add, would probably be a good tablespoonful of the floetrol. I mean, this might not come out anything, so I'm just in my experimental mode, so just bear with me. That is really lustery and sheeny shiny because it's the iridescent medium. So I'm just going to try this as a base coat to just pour over some leftover colours that I have here. I've got some leftover colours, and I'm going to try it. So there you go. I was thinking if I need that any, I don't know if I need it any thinner. Well, I don't know what I'm doing, so there you go. So it doesn't matter. I'll use all of that up. Let's hope that it does something good, because then I'll want to remember the recipe, won't I? But at least when you video your effort, you've got a video log of your what you did, I suppose. So I've just poured that over. Not sure. Yeah, maybe. I've got some of that very berry delicious, the very dark berry looking. Should I or shouldn't I? I'm just thinking. Add a bit of that. I'll have a bit of the ultraviolet. These are the global colours, the global impasto. Oh, might as well throw in the mix a little bit of the metallic silver. Let's just see what I get, hey? Maybe nothing, maybe something. You never know. This is just a very little bit of white that I have left. Oh, that's, I might just add a little bit of floetrol to that. Let's see. So it's kind of just like doing a ribbon pour over that particular medium. Might absolutely do nothing at all. It's very translucent, so it probably wasn't the best to do it over a pre-used canvas because the pouring medium is very translucent. So meaning you can see straight through it. But so as it was a test pour, in for a penny, in for a pound. I don't know what you call when you just pour your paints over it. I don't know, can't keep track of a ring pour, a straight pour, a shuffle pour, a balloon, smash a balloon, kiss a balloon, slide a, oh my gosh, so many. Dirty pour, clean pour, sweaty pour. Oh, they're all there, all these different pours. Pour, 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 pour. Ooh, colours are nice. Colours. Let's see if I can get over that little bit over there a bit. Very, very translucent. Nice colours. I will grab my heat gun. Okay, heat gun, heat gun, heat gun. I might put some more darker colours because this translucent is translucent and you can see the previous pour underneath it. So I'll put some more Berry Delicious because it's very delicious. Come on. In there. And then I'm going to really jazz it up and put some of this fluoro orange, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. And let me do, maybe I'll do an Aussie slide over it. Where's my Aussie slide colours? I've got them here somewhere. Just trying to find everything at the minute. Where did I put it? Oh, I need an organiser. That's what I need, an organiser. Please help me. I think this may be it. Floetrol. I think that might be mine. This is just Amsterdam Lamp Black. I think it was with the Floetrol only. I've got it in that container there and I'm thinking that's what it must be. So I don't know, it may come out absolutely crappy doodles, but we'll just try it. So I might use my, no I won't use the spatula. I'm going to use this tiny little spatula. It's just an offset spatula. I can dip this in a little bit better. Let's see, shall we? It don't look as though it's the Aussie Floetrol because it usually sells up straight away. But you never know. Let's just keep it going. Ooh, didn't do that very well. That is definitely not coming up like the Floetrol does. What I've got written on there? Floetrol, something and glue. Oh, so that's Floetrol, something and glue. So there you go. That doesn't have the same effect. I have got, now I do know that this is the yellow in the, it's the yellow in Amsterdam, and this is mixed with Floetrol because I did it for a swipe over a dark painting. It is coming up slightly, the cells, but not much. But maybe just this yellow might bring out the darker. Remember, it's a tester, so there you go. I'm going to pop my spatula in there. Oh. Can you see how, there you go. That's what the Aussie floetrol and Amsterdam paint does. It just brings out those gorgeous lacing. So that is called the Aussie slide, because it's Australian floetrol slid across, made in Australia. So I'm just dipping that little spatula in and giving it an Aussie slide. And look at those colours. It just makes the colours that are underneath pop, and it is making the cells, but they're really lacy cells, a whole different kind of look. So there you go. That is turning out a little beauty. Just work with it until you are happy with it. Remember, your art room, your rules, your way. Wow, that's pretty nice. As I said, it was just leftover paints. Yeah, just doing something with the leftovers. You can hardly see that yellow in there, so I mean, I guess you could just make it so it didn't even really show the yellow. It's just bringing up all those yummy colours. But now I've started, I can't stop. I need an organiser and a wrist slapper to slap my wrists when I go too far. Okay, walk away. Love it, absolutely love it. Can you imagine that with resin on it? It will really pop your socks. Alrighty, you good people, that's my little art lab test. I don't think really doing the iridescent medium with the particular, I don't think it did anything extra special to it, but I was just trying it. I thought that maybe mixed with the pouring medium it may have created some cells to erupt underneath all on their own. I was kind of thinking along those lines, but as you see, it did absolutely nothing. Okay, but if it dries any differently, you will certainly see. So until tomorrow, you good folks, I will be here with another pour every day for you. So please continue watching the lovely uplifting YouTube videos rather than the negative and soul destroying news and events of late. That's what I think. So stay safe, you kind people. Until tomorrow, bye for now.